gals, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Gearheadgirl, and today we're going to be unboxing this race radio kit. So I'm super excited about this. We'll go ahead and get started. So, lots of bubble wrap. Cool. And our instructions from SpeedTech. So this is a SpeedTech NZ radio receiver kit. That's the whole package, really. And we've got our handheld radio to interface. Got a helmet pad insert kit. We've got another helmet pad insert kit. Another helmet pad insert kit. And a final foot helmet pad insert kit. You can tell we didn't go small on this. So, we've got our Speedway New Zealand approved radio from SpeedTech. Professional FM transceiver. And we've got another one of those. And a final one of those. So that's 3 radios, 4 headsets, we've got our radio mounting kit and our push-to-talk headset seatbelt routing to interface. So basically what you plug in your race car. Cool. And finally, for our pit crew, we have the headset with the push-to-talk. So you can see the 3 radios are there. Got the helmet pad kit, radio mounting kit, passive radio, push to talk, and our headset. Alright, so SpeedTech NZ is based out of Hamilton. They did us a pretty good deal, especially compared to other name brand competitors, so we're real happy about that. We will evaluate all this at the track and let you know how it goes. For this unboxing, we'll go ahead and keep unboxing. So you've got the channel sheet and you've got your SpeedTech radio. Check that out right there. Buttons on the side. Wall charger, plug in, all that good stuff. So, we've got 3 of those. We've got our headset with the push to talk and your little mic. And then all the cords associated with that. And you guys can check that out. And we'll have to plug all this up. And then we've got our mounting kit with instructions. Pretty good. And then of course just the helmet kit with the pads. That go in the helmet, and then for your mic. So that's what's in the box. So again, big thanks to SpeedTech NZ for putting together this custom package for us. If you are in the market for a radio, I highly recommend checking them out. The link is in the description below. Alright, please hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys back for the next one. See ya.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at gearheadgirl69.